is the biggest platform which provides online content to watch, upload and share videos, which provides an opportunity for people to connect, inform and inspire others across the globe. Last week, YouTube has started sending emails to its users notifying new terms of services, which are set to take effect on December 10, 2019. There has been a lot of videos and comments now being viral on the net warning YouTube content creators that their account could be deleted for not making money. A few articles on several forums have made content creators very worried that the company could delete their account. They put forth a clause in account suspension and termination in the sport which states, YouTube may terminate your use of services or your Google account access to all part of the service if YouTube believes in its sole discretion that provision of the service to you is no longer commercially viable. Hence, a few videos on YouTube and messages on Twitter and other internet forums are propagating that for new channels that are not yet monetized could have possibility that they could no longer survive. In fact, this is not true. A very recent tweet from YouTube team clarifies this ambiguity. It says, to clarify, there are no new rights in our terms of service to terminate an account because it's not making money. Okay, but yes, the words used in the clause are very misleading. YouTube must change its wording as soon as possible.